Here in Avena's garden, one of the purposes of this garden is to plant lots of different varieties of flowering plants to support the pollinating life. So there are so many beautiful flowering plants and tremendous pollinating activity. A lot of native bees, honeybees, butterflies, the ruby-throated hummingbird, and in particular these two right now in mid-July here in Avena's garden. The orange is one of our native plants. It's butterfly weed is one of its common names. Asclepias tuberosa is its botanical name. Beautiful, beautiful orange flower. Many people know this plant because the monarch butterflies in particular enjoy the nectar and lay their eggs both on this pleurisy, the herbalists call it pleurisy or butterfly weed, along with the common milkweed, two very favorite plants for the monarch butterfly. We grow it in a hedgerow. It's beautiful to grow many of the flowering plants for pollinators in hedgerows because it allows them to have to work not so hard. When we give them a whole array of the same plant, they can go from plant to plant, and we make the work a little bit easier for them. So pleurisy, this is its common name amongst herbalists. The root we harvest in the fall of the plants once they become 3 or 4 years old, and it is a root that we tincture. I think it's a beautiful plant. I encourage people to grow it in the garden. It loves a sunny location where the soil is a little bit drier. And here in Maine, it's not very commonly found in the wild anymore. So it's a plant that I'm really encouraging people to consider growing in their gardens to help ensure that this plant continues to survive both in gardens and in the wild. And I interplanted it with the beautiful purple blazing star. Liatris is its botanical genus. And so the orange pleurisy and the beautiful purple liatris are two lovely plants to grow together. The liatris is a favorite flower amongst different butterflies. And they tend to bloom at the same time. And as you can see, I've planted them amongst the forest of mulleins. And the mulleins also, as I spoke about, have such benefit to numbers of different native bees and honeybees. I also wanted to talk about the poppy. This is the opium poppy that grows, it just reseeds in the garden here. And we grow it also as a pollinating flower. You can see the honeybees love poppies. And sometimes there'll be 4 or 5 honeybees at a time in each flower. And the flowering time for poppies in our garden is usually the 1st and 2nd week of July. And then you can see the beautiful seed heads. They're so beautiful. I let them stay around the garden, and then we'll be collecting some seed, and we also will let them reseed, so that they're just scattered amongst the garden for their beautiful purple flowers and also the incredible pollen, which the bees love.